if you know where you are going to place your foils in, you can apply the premium eye hold chamfer foils on the area you want to. But this is, I'm gonna add like a whole nails. Give for 30 seconds. In the meantime, I am go ahead and use this one too, and I'm go ahead and use this is for this. I use Fall in Love colors from the fall collections. Is Autumn Love and Autumn Blings from the subscription box. Now we are going to cure this for 30 seconds as well. Where's all the foil? I'm gonna do 2 of this. I'm do this one is a little bit brighter. And this is foil is number there's so many different ways you can do. I love the look of it. I'm gonna do this one. It's cool. The whole flower on it. This is number 50 and is Blossoming's Fall chamfer foils. All the chamfer foils is like 50% off right now during this week. Give it really a good rub. And just remove. Completely. It's so beautiful. The background is dark, but it's so beautiful. I'm gonna leave it there, and we are going to transfer everything, and we're gonna move on to the next one, and then we are going to do a crystal placement really shortly. I really like this one. Love this foil box. It has so much to offer and to do from this box as well. It's a good rub. Transfers everything. If you miss something, just like it back up, and it's come right off. Let me show you both of the nails. How easy it is. Super quick, fast, and easy with the transfer foil gels.